Music. Is Credit Rescue Now right for you? Let's find out. Welcome to my Credit Rescue Now review. This credit repair service helps you take control of your finances. Want to explore further? Check the links below. This video covers features, ideal users, and my personal experience, giving you a clear picture of what to expect. Credit Rescue Now streamlines credit repair by tackling negative items like errors, late payments, collections, and charge-offs. Their experts review your reports from all three major bureaus, identify inaccuracies, and work to dispute and remove them. What sets them apart? Fast, effective results. Credit Rescue Now helps anyone facing credit obstacles, struggling to qualify for loans, facing high interest rates, or rebuilding credit. It's perfect if you value expert guidance and a hands-off approach. They handle all the communication with bureaus and creditors so you can focus on other financial goals. Track your progress in real time through their secure online portal. Full transparency on your case updates. Plus, access educational resources on improving credit utilization and building healthy financial habits for long-term credit improvement. Affordable plans, no hidden fees, and flexible payments make professional credit repair accessible. In short, Credit Rescue Now is excellent for anyone seeking reliable, results-driven credit repair. Professional dispute resolution, transparent communication, and educational tools make it a comprehensive solution for boosting your credit score. Check the links below for more details and start your journey to better financial health today.